So I'm going to be buying a new bike, and I want you guys to help me pick out which one I should get. So I'm pretty much set to 2 options, and I'm going to go over them in today's video, see what you guys think, and I'm going to go off the comments a lot too on which one I end up purchasing next, because of course I care about you guys' input and what videos you'd actually enjoy to watch. But yeah, I'm going to get into that in today's video. But I'm thankful the weather this week is going to be really good, because I dropped off my car this morning to go get some new carbon fiber parts added. So it's at a body shop right now getting that stuff done. So I probably won't have that thing back for, I don't know, maybe like a week or so. But no idea really, to be honest. If you don't know, I have a 2015 C63S AMG Edition 1. And I'm getting a carbon fiber front splitter put on, and then also a carbon fiber rear diffuser, because the one I currently have is pretty beat up. And the diffuser also has a F1 rain light, which they actually sent me the wrong one when I ordered it. It wasn't supposed to be that one, but they did give me a credit, so I ended up getting that diffuser for really cheap. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna feel about it, but once I have it on the car, we'll see what I think. And getting it basically like 50% off, I was like, well, might as well just keep it and go with it. And I would have installed those normally, but when I installed the last diffuser, the parking sensors were such a mess to set up. So I'm gonna let them deal with that, because I think they're also gonna need like fab up some brackets for it. Like, it's a little bit too much. I'm not trying to mess with some electrical things. But yeah, I'm gonna be riding this thing for the next couple days while my car is down. So definitely gonna try and get a lot of content. So as well, if you guys have any video ideas you want me to do over the next couple of days, drop it in the comments and I can for sure do that. But I'm gonna be sweating like crazy this week. It's like high 80s, probably like 90 degrees almost. You guys see what I'm wearing? Got the leathers on, so it's like a sweatsuit right now. I do still need to pick up some leather pants though. Do not do what I'm doing and rock regular jeans. But back to the main topic of this video. What bike am I going to be buying next? Or what bike do I need help picking out, basically? So I want to stick with Yamaha as of right now. I was considering a Panigale V2, but if I go Ducati, I think I just want to go V4. So I'm going to wait on that one, probably about a year and a half, 2 years till I get up to that level. But I'm going to be sticking with Yamaha. And I was initially dead set on a Yamaha R6, which is kind of expected jump up from this bike, but I wanted to get the last model years, so it'd be a 2017 through 2020. Even though those bikes are pretty expensive now since they discontinued them, that's also why I want it, because I know that bike will hold its value really well. I can buy it, drive it 1,000 miles, drive it 10,000 miles. It's not really going to depreciate too much since can't make them, can't find them anymore. So that one really interests me. It's basically in like a appreciating asset status, or I'm just trying to justify it to myself to go spend 13K on a bike. But nevertheless, that's was my first idea. I was dead set on it. I was like, okay, I'm gonna pick up one of these in the summer. But then I've been researching a lot about the Yamaha R9, and if you guys don't know, that's gonna be dropping probably next year. And that bike is going to have the MT09 3-cylinder, so around 120 horsepower, 117 horsepower. And those things sound so cool. That 3-cylinder has such a unique tone to it. And I also saw that there is rumored to be a R9 SP model, which to me, that's what I would want, without a doubt. Because you already know it's going to have some cool tech to it. You know it's going to have some good suspension setup, probably some winglets on there for the track. That thing's gonna be sick. So R9 SP, I'll be like, I'd throw my money at it right there. But then again, the R6 is such a legendary 600, arguably the best 600cc sport bike. So that's why I'm kind of in the middle right now on what I should do if I just had to pick one. Preferably I get both, but I just started YouTube. I'm not even monetized yet, so I'm not making money from this stuff. But once I'm able to make some good money from YouTube. So what do you guys think? What do you guys think about the R9? Are you hyped up for its release? I've been seeing at least a lot of positive things online, and the general public's reaction has been pretty positive towards it. Looking forward to it. So I'm basically just debating between those two bikes. Do I go ahead buy an R6 because I can go pick one up right now off of Facebook Marketplace? Oh, I forgot to hold the clutch. That was such a bad shit. But yeah, what do you guys think? I can go pick up a R6 right now, but if I do the R9, then I'll of course have to wait until it gets released, make sure to get a pre-order in, and yeah, I mean, I don't have any timeline for that bike. I guess it would be a year and a half from when I actually pick up one of those. So, but the bike on paper already sounds like it'd be really cool, a really enjoyable bike to ride. And then of course, from a content perspective, be one of the first people with that on social media. Then of course all the videos will probably do much better, because a lot of people have an R6 and there'll be little to no R9 content by that time when the bike gets released. Good content, so I'd be able to get a lot of good, unique content, like first ride impressions, 5 things I hate about it, doing the first full exhaust system, first tuned R9. Please don't hit me. You guys know what I mean. There's a lot of content to make with that hasn't been touched yet on YouTube. Let me know what your opinion is in the comments. I'm really interested to know, especially because I'm still a beginner in this whole motorcycle scene, so you guys would know a lot better on what's a better bike. So that's why I really want to know your guys' opinions, what you think. And ultimately, what you like to see on the channel, because this content is for your consumption. So it's really important to me to make content that other people want to see. Let me get past all this traffic. I'm too focused on talking right now. So, but I'm really hoping they're going to do some sort of press release soon on the R9, talking more about it, so it can make me more sure of my decision or against it. And how they're going to price it too. I'd be interested to see. I'm going to guess probably around like 12, 13K. Yeah, comment what you guys think, and I'm going to be reading them. Now, I got to go head to a dentist appointment, so I'm going to focus on riding because I'm probably about to be late, so I need to speed up. And please comment below any other video ideas you want me to do, and I'll try and pump them out for you guys this week. So take care, y'all. I'll see you on the next one.